What's up, dude? This is Nir from the Bricks Dude, and today we have some more MILS just for you. Today we're going to show you all the MILS pieces which we have created and built, everything assembled together. This is something we've never showed before, so wait and watch this video. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel just right here below. This is very important for us as content creators. We'll be able to create some more cool content just for you. Hi, Caesar!
M.I.L.S. Modular Integrated Landscaping System. Building landscape in Lego. And this is what we're going to show you here. Actually, this video is a summary of all the four videos, the last four videos, YouTube videos, which we have showed you. Each one has a different type of MILS, and here we're going to show you how do they combine and how do they integrate with one another. So we try to cover as many types of landscape as we could, and this is what we're going to show you here, how they're combined, how they're integrated with one another. So let's see. We have actually 8 pieces of MILS. 4 are 32 on 32 studs, and 4 pieces are half MILS. That means 16 on 32 studs. So you're going to see a wide variety of landscape. Let's start. This is what we have here. 4 big pieces and 4 smaller pieces. Now what you see here, this is a kind of little graveyard with a couple of graves and a coast. So this connects to another piece of MILS, which is a coastline. You can even see the waves, and 4 types of layers in 4 colors. There you can see the corners and how they connect to each other with those technical bricks and technical pins. This is how they lock in place, and you have a coastline, or a beach if you like, but they have a graveyard there. Like you see, everything is hollow inside. Technical bricks, the usual convention for MILS. So this is a kind of forest, half MILS. And that forest connects to another piece of MILS, 32 and 32, and you have a big pond, some inside there, and also that cave. So another piece of forest which connects to the half MILS part. Let's lock them together and connect them to what we had before, the graveyard and the coastline. And together they form a big piece of landscape, green one. Let's go to the next one. Next one, we have that bridge which crosses the river, and you can see that fish with the waves. And this is how it looks from the other side. That's the bridge, which is a kind of extension to this river. In the river there's a kind of illusion to give you the concept of depth. That means in the middle it's deep, like you see 8 studs in the middle and 12 studs in each side. That's the convention. So we'll be able to connect to any type of MILS of another river. And together they lock, and this is how we connect them to the forest. Now let's go to the next one. After having the river, we have this, the mosaics and the statue, something ancient, classic. Let's set it aside and let's look at the bigger part of the MILS, which is an old palace which is probably stands like that for ages. You can see that mini scale chessboard and the pool and the fountain. That's a real sense of M.I.L.S. Let's connect them together. And we have those ancient ruins being connected to the riverbank. Now, all together, these 8 pieces of M.I.L.S, they form a huge landscape, which you can use for any type or any theme of Lego. Take a look at all the details. The graveyard, the cave, the coastline. So you can use it to play with your Lego minifigures in any theme which you like. From Knights to Star Wars, to Nexo Knights, to Ninjago, to City, whatever you want, it's useful for. So we try to cover as many types of landscape, like you see, graveyard, coastline, pond, forest, cave, river, bridge. And of course, the last thing, which is the ancient ruins of the palace and the mosaics with the statue. So I'm just wondering, what is your favorite M.I.L.S type or theme? You can write us in the comments below. So again, thank you for watching this video. You're welcome to watch our other videos. We have 4 other videos of M.I.L.S parts, which you see here in more details and more explanations. Again, this is Nir from the Bricks Dude. Thank you.